Hello. In this video tutorial, we would like to show how you can set Opera as your default browser on this TCL 205 smartphone. So first of all, you want to go to the settings. In here, open up the apps and notifications section of them. At the apps and notifications page, expand the available options and go for the default apps. In here, choose browser app, tap on Opera, therefore selecting it as your default app for browsing. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application itself. So let's go ahead and, use this way as well. Tap on this. Once at the Opera, tap on this avatar picture of yours at the bottom right corner. Tap on the gear icon that stands for settings. Scroll down for a little bit. Once at the settings, scroll down for a little bit. Tap on the default browser. Click Next, select Opera and, choose this set as default option. And that will also effectively mean that you have successfully made Opera the default browsing app on this device. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye-bye.